Bwskangni Ttaadc election Buphru Wngnai Saklai Rwkha Tripura election commission nomination date last date 25/3/2026 tei withdraw last date wngkha 28/3/2026 tei pool date 13/4/2026 pool counting date 17/4/2026 Bwskangni Ttaadc election Buphru Wngnai Saklai Rwkha Tripura election commission nomination date last date 25/3/2026 tei withdraw last date wngkha 28/3/2026 tei pool date 13/4/2026 pool counting date 17/4/2026 Bwskangni Ttaadc election Buphru Wngnai Saklai Rwkha Tripura election commission nomination date last date 25/3/2026 tei withdraw last date wngkha 28/3/2026 tei pool date 13/4/2026 pool counting date 17/4/2026